Boys, so welcome back with another video. And in the last video on our $200 live account, we hit two trades for about $3, $4. And if we would have let us put the amount we wanted, we could have made like $5 to $10, so it was improvement. But ending on last night, starting the day, I had looked at this. Look at this. It was a trade I had last night, but I said, remember, we had two trades. I didn't want to over trade it, and I forgot to look back on this. It's an uptrend, and it was breaking down like this, so I was waiting for this structure to break through here, and I knew the market was going to continue to break this last previous high, and that's exactly what it did. But I ended up missing this trade. I'm hella sad. It's because last night, after we made those two trades, I forgot about this chart that I had set up. I went to sleep. I had woke up and I looked at it, and boom, it was like when I woke up and looked at it. Whoa. When I had woke up and looked at it, it was only to like right here. So it went up there. So I still could have got in because this is a 4 to 7 risk ratio. But if we would have got in like right here, I mean, I still would have made money on it, which is fine at the end of the day. But I dropped the camera. We missed a good trade, but that's fine. At least we know we can still hit good trades. Like I'm telling you right there, that was a perfect shot called. When I look at it, I called that perfectly. So let's see if we can find any trades today and make some more money. Without further ado, let's get straight to this video, boys. First trade, and we saw that it's 0.03. I don't know why it's not letting me make my 0.1 sales like it was in the first trade. It's being really weird, but this is what I see. I saw a double top right here, a double top on the 15-minute chart. A double top on the 15-minute chart, and then you come down to the 5-minute chart right here on your double, and then I see some support right here, and then I see some resistance, and I saw that if the market passes this line, it'll continue to shoot down because the market's already what's an upward trend, but I think it'll continue to go down. Just pray with me right here. Let's hope for the best. Come on. It's a first trade to try to get something down, and it didn't let me put the trade down, so we'll just see what happens, but let's get it. All right, boys, so our first trade isn't going so well, but our second trade that I didn't throw down is going crazy. As you see, I had this up here. This is my support and resistance line. As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches of support. Then came over here with some resistance. I predicted it was going to shoot down right here. That's exactly what it's doing. Only if I put it on this trade instead of the other one, we would be hitting big time right now. Look, we'd be hitting big time. This is a 1 to 4 ratio. We would have been hitting some big money, but it's okay. We're just going to sit back and let it happen. We're learning, and that's all that matters. So let's get it. All right, boys, quick trade update. So we are watching our boy Alex right here, and then this is how the trade's going. As you can see, it is currently heading downward towards our margin, so we're just gonna let it ride out. And this is the only trade that I've seen so far. I've seen some other stuff. I might show it, and just not really great setups for me, so I'm just gonna wait and see, let this one ride out, and then we'll see if we can find another good trade. But anyway, let's get it. Stay tuned, because soon we're going to be adding more money to the account. We're going to be betting more money. We're going to have a higher margin. We're going to have higher profits. But this is just the beginning. We're still learning. So send me some tips. I need some tips. Send me some anything. Let's grind together. Let's get it. I know, mark my words, I'll be a millionaire one day. I keep stuttering when I be talking, so I gotta get better at that. I gotta knock the stutters out, because if we're gonna be rich and talking to rich people and making business deals, we can't stutter. We have to be straightforward and knowing what we're gonna say word after word, bar after bar. So let's get it. Hey! All right, boys, so on the win trade we do have tonight is actually going well. I took a break. I didn't look at it. I come back, and we are up $3. If it would have let me bet what I actually wanted to bet, we would be up $10 to $15. But this is fine. I predicted the market, and this is exactly what happened. So let's fucking get it, baby. That's how you do it right there. But let's keep going. I don't know if I should close out this trade or not. I think I'm gonna move my stop loss right here and then ride it out. Look, it's going down still. Come on. Let's go. So the one and only trade for tonight, probably, unless we find something, it is barely like 7:30. As you see, this trade played out perfectly, and it is in our favor right now. So big W's for the trade. It only let us put 0.3, so it's only letting us put less and less and less. If I would have put a 0.1 instead of 0.03, we'd be up at like $20 right now. But it's fine. It's a learning experience. So we're still making money. This is our third trade on the live account. And hopefully we keep moving down. I have it, the stop loss set right here now. So even if it stops us out, we still make like $3. Big W trade right now. And I'll get back to you guys when we get a better update on the trade shit. All right, boys, so check it out here. This is how the trade went down. It accidentally went above this line, I guess, so it stopped us out, and the trade is over. So we made like $3.19 off of this trade. And I think this might be the only trade for tonight. We're gonna keep looking. Like I said, this trade's easily gonna go down here. I just set my stop just a little 2 bags for the comeback, which is fine. It's not a big deal. We're still learning. We made $3. So we're going to look for another trade. But if I don't find one, I'm not going to push it. This is the one. And like I said, we only need at least one trade a day. And this was the trade for the day. We saw it pretty early on. Like I said, only like 5 to 10 minutes looking in the market, then waiting for it to happen. And then boom, executing it. And this was like the only good one I've seen so far. The other markets that I've been looking at just haven't been great. And I've missed a couple of them, so we're just gonna wait and see. And this probably will be it for tonight. I'm probably gonna chill, but unless we find another trade, I'll get back to you guys later. All right, boys, so we just threw the next trade down. As you can see, this was a quick, like, last second trade, because the market's already trending down, and then it came up a little bit. So I had this trend line right here, and as soon as it broke on this trend line, I saw it just right here. And as you can see exactly where we got in, we're already down, making some money. So this was a quick little trade. It's only letting me trade 0.03 instead of the 0.1. I'll show a screenshot right now, somewhere right here, of the trades. And you can see it's the first trade we did. It let us trade a 0.1. Then it was like a 0.05 or 0.05, yeah, and then a 0.03. So now, live trades, come on, it's going crazy. It's making money. As you can see, this was a quick, I literally saw this trade in a minute. I saw this trade in like 30 seconds. I clicked on to Euro GBP. I clicked on the Euro GBP. As you can see, I clicked on it. I saw this trend line immediately broken as the market's already in the downtrend. What I mean by, like, the market's already in the downtrend, then it started to come up, then it broke this line. I know it's going to come down, and I'm pretty sure it's going to come down further than my TP is, but we're just going to wait it out and see. I just caught this right now, so let's see, baby. Let's get it. All right, boys, it's about 9:13. As you can see, still trading the Euro British pound. It's going well. I'm probably just gonna let it run. I'm tired, so I might fall asleep and call it a night. Wake up in the morning and see what happens. We already laid one trade. This is the second trade, so if this hits, it's another 2 trade day, and it's gonna be a banger. So I don't know if I'm gonna post or upload another clip after this. So if not, you guys, thank you for the support. Keep supporting, and we're gonna dump more money soon. Just stay tuned, because it's only gonna get better from here, boys. All right, boys, so welcome back. It is currently 5:04 in the morning on Tuesday. So last night we ended off with one trade that hit and one trade that we let. And like what we do, baby, the set and forget strategy is exactly what happened. As you see, we broke this trend line already on a downtrend of a market, and it switched. I saw this trend line. As soon as it broke it, I put in my buy. I told you it was going to go lower than what it was, but you see it bounce back up. But we already got out. I don't know how much we made. I think we made maybe like $3, $4. So I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna put up a screenshot right here, and this is today's video. I should be uploaded around later Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, but it should be up today. Like I said, another banger trade, set and forget strategy. We're moving up, and we're gonna get it. So stay tuned, and appreciate you guys' support. Without further ado, let's get to work, get today started, and come home and make some more trades and make some more money. You know, I was gonna say something, but let's get it, baby.